Morning, morning, morning. Yeah. Blessings, everybody. Blessings. Today, running out on the food truck today. Today Thursday. It's a good day today. It's gonna be up to like 75 degrees today. 70 degrees. Yeah. Dressed in my shorts and everything, Yeah, man. Hopefully today, turn out to be a good Thursday. Weather is gonna be nice today. So right now I'm just heading to the truck now to get things started and all of that. So yeah, so this video is gonna be about the food truck, cooking and all of that, sharing, yeah, location, everything today. So yeah, I'm excited today, always excited every day to cook, but today the weather, hold up a little bit. It's not cold. Normally it's like 45, 41, 49. Yeah, them weather real cold, uncomfortable, but we still do it, Yeah, so see, as you can see, we heading down to the food truck now in the morning. Yeah, but remember to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Yeah, man. So I'll catch you when I get there. Yeah, I'll hit you up back when I get there to show you how I start stuff, Yeah, man. Respect. Showtime. Let's rock and roll. Yeah, man. Trust me, I'm happy today. I'm always happy, but today, light on Mr. Grill. Done. I'm always happy. I'm always excited to cook. Yep. Alright, this is how I do my thing, Put a piece of napkin, put some oil in it, then I just light them, That's how I start my grill. Yeah. Right there. I think you might need some. And trust me, I don't use them charcoal with all of them fluid and all of that. Natural, all natural. Just like yard, yeah. Because the other ones are gonna give you like pecan and apple, cherry wood. Nope. If it's not pimento wood, then it's straight. Just the regular charcoal. Yeah, nah, put too much in that. Put too much in that. We don't want a big fire. We just want it one side of the grill. See the next side? We just want it on this side, see? Yeah. Trust me. 10 minutes and that's ready. Yeah, man. Jerk chicken ready for go on. Alright, so now we get the rice and peas ready now. And then we get my curry chicken and all of that. But rice have to go on and cover and steam up and thing while we get everything else ready. Yeah, see? Yeah, man. Respect. Ready. Good. Hold this there. And you guys remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, man. Today is a food truck vibe today, Yeah, man. blaze up already. Cut the fire a little bit, yeah. Oh, so you're looking at. Rice and peas time now. Yeah, rice and peas time, man. Rice and peas. Getting well sort out. Not peas. So I get him how I want him and then I cover it, you know. And make him steam out. Yeah. I think that probably need to come out. Oops. This one probably need to put more rice in there. Should be good. Yeah. Next thing I work on are the brown stew. Brown stew working. Yeah. Brown stew working, yeah. We have the rice over here. What's going on? Mac and cheese time. Almost ready for the oven, yeah? Yeah. Lots of cheese. This one needs some more cheese. That one needs some more cheese also. Yeah. Yeah, good mac and cheese this here. See? Cheese sauce. Some more cheese. This one ready. Bad boy jerk. Look at that. Yeah. 1 hour into getting on the grill. Look at this. Get how it smoke. Yeah, juicy, huh? Look at that. People gonna happy today, you know? Remember guys, like the video and share it. Yeah man, also subscribe if you haven't. Yeah man. That's the color you're looking for, you know. Yeah. Ah, smoke leaving me wicked. Smoke wicked. Food truck today. Oxtails done already. Brown stew chicken almost done too, you know. Ready up. Ready. Look at this. Ready. Yeah man. Serving at 12 today. Yeah man. Remember guys, like and share and subscribe, you know. Yeah, the good jerk chicken that, you know. Yeah man. Guys working on their curry chicken now. Nice. Just letting him simmer for a little bit. Yeah, and it's gonna be a good day today. curry chicken, you know. You guys, pour them mac and cheese done already. This is how it turned out. Wicked, you know, man. Yeah, man. Check out the other one right now. Yeah. My mac and cheese are curry shrimp. Curry chicken. Check out the mac and cheese over there, so. People gonna be happy to them, man. Yeah, man. Wicked mac and cheese, you know. Yeah. The next one in the oven, yes, sir. The next one ready. Next one ready. Third one. Check it out. Yeah guys, so we're rocking today. Roll up now, getting stuff ready. Final touch. Yeah, final touch. Do some planting, you know? The wind is strong, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to remind people. Yeah, not to remind every person.
Oh.
I don't.
Yeah, for real, we don't want that. But the thing is, I'm gonna try on the same thing that I did last week.
Oh,
with the thing. Yeah, keep that.
Yeah, that feels pretty good.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah guys, getting ready. Getting ready. Should be ready in like 10 minutes or less. Yeah. Getting the fry planting ready, yeah? Yeah man. Yeah guys, see that? It's steaming. Yeah man. Planting almost ready. Oxtail. Yeah man. Brown stew chicken over there, so. Curry chicken over there, so. Need to skim off the color grease that right. Yeah man. Over here, so. The great mac and cheese over there, so. And some beef patty in the oven, you know. Up there. Yeah man, ready man, ready. Yeah man, see that good oxtail there? Good oxtail, right off my food truck. Yeah. Yeah man. We're there man, we're there, do it, you know. See that jiggly? Shit. Yeah, right. Ready. Look here. Catch everything, every details. Yeah man. Happy customer, you know. Check me out. Good. Yeah man. Ready. Catch it. Jerk chicken. See that? Catch all it. Get into the light here. Get more light over here on the window. Catch it. Catch the details. Yeah man. Catch it. Respect. Ready. Brown stew chicken. Yeah, 2 plates. Yeah man, 2 plates. Brown stew chicken. Good. Yeah guys, what's up now? Everything is winding down now, you know. It's what? Almost 4 o'clock. It's a decent day today, you know. We got busier days, you know, but you know, we give thanks still. Yeah. So I'm just here cleaning up and all of that. Getting ready to head out from the location, you know. Remember guys, to like the video, share it, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Please subscribe. You're helping me and I appreciate that. Yeah man. So right now, as you can see, I was cleaning it. Go clean up and all of that. Yeah man. Thank you for watching. And please like the video, share it and subscribe. Please. Just do it for me. Yeah man. So I'm just here now, trying to get out of here, go clean up and all that. Respect man, one love, yeah? Until next time. Cool.